So it's come to my attention with the DMs I've been getting a lot lately. People are still buying views and likes for their Instagram content the wrong way. And believe me fam, Instagram is crazy aware of all the automation that goes on. When Instagram catches on, your account will be banned. The strategy that I'm about to show you guys today works. I mean, look at the follows and the engagement that comes with this strategy. It is pretty endless when done appropriately, of course. So instead of wasting your money and investing in something that eventually will get you banned, let me show you how to do this the right way. The Instagram way, let's say. So I'm going to share with you exactly what I do and what Instagram wants creators to do when it comes to really investing in our content for other people to see, especially new people. And as this can be a pretty polarizing topic, consider Instagram similar to real estate. Now, I don't know much about real estate. I'm not a real estate agent, but I do have a home, and everything that I put into it that wasn't initially there raises the value of my home in case I ever want to sell it. For Instagram, you're not going to sell your account. You can, but that's not the point. When you invest in your Instagram content, your ROI are new discoveries of people who haven't seen you before. If you really feel that you make content that really resonates with a certain type of audience, then investing some money for those people to see your content is a very good idea. And it all starts with paid promotions. Now I'll get into how we actually do that in a second, but I want to show you what the strategy can actually do for you for as low as $2 a day. For instance, look at this promotion. I boosted this video for just 4 days. And as you can see here, 500 people actually clicked on the promotion itself. It gained over 62,000 impressions. Now that wasn't all from the promotion itself, but a good chunk of it was. And out of all that, just for the few days that I ran this promotion, I spent $8 and earned 58 followers. Now I say earned because I invested my money for people who don't know about me yet to see what I can do, and 58 people felt that the content was good enough for them to follow me. A lot of this is strategy, but a lot of it is mindset too. We'll get to that in a sec. This one I spent a little bit more money on. I spent $14 in total, and out of that $14 I received over 168,000 impressions, which is insane because not only did people click on my promotion to view that post, but they did it more than once. Now this one in particular was doing very well on its own. That's why I decided to boost it. As you can see, out of that 168,000 impressions, 48% of that was from this promotion itself. And out of all that, I earned 92 followers. And this promotion lasted for 7 days. So it's $2 a day for 7 days, which leads me to my next point. Once you start investing in your content and you see the results and you see that, yes, this promotion is indeed working, you can continue to continuously promote this particular post until it runs dry. They all will eventually. A good example of that is this promotion here. I ran this particular post 4 times at $2 a day for 6 days. So yeah, that's quite a lot of money. What's the math on that? 6 times 12, $72. So yes, I spent $72 in total through the span of about 9 weeks. So if we divide that by 9, I spent $8 a week. And the results were absolutely insane. Here you can see the last time I boosted this particular post. And through this whole campaign, let's say, that's what a campaign is defined as, a continuous set of promotion for a particular post or content. I received over 824,000 impressions. Crazy. And that $72 in total came out to me earning 797 followers in about 2 months. Now keep in mind, these are great results, but yeah, it's not like I received 1,000 followers in a month. That's happened only maybe once or twice for me, but this is what you call healthy profile growth. It is abnormal for the majority of Instagram creators out there to receive thousands upon thousands of followers a day or even a week, but getting hundreds a week, that is more common. And Instagram loves seeing that for 2 reasons. One, yes, you are giving them money. So yeah, they like that. Instagram is a business. But the second reason is they're seeing that you're investing in your content. So they do their best to make sure you get the best bang for your buck. And it all works in this beautiful cycle that is known as social media marketing. So now that you understand what promoting your content on Instagram can do for you, let's go through some best practices and how you can promote your own Instagram content effectively. We're gonna let our Instagram Insights help us with this. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to your Instagram Insights. You'll stay on content and then hit see all under posts. If you post consistently at least 2 to 3 times a week, what I would do is switch the timeline from 1 year to 3 months. And 3 months overall just gives you a really good snapshot of the now. You can definitely use 1 year and check out what you did back then, but we're more focused on what's been working now. That's how you help. So 3 months is the best time marker for that. So there we go. And then what I want to do is switch from reach and I want to go to engagement. What this will pull up are the posts that I have uploaded that have resonated with the most people via engagement, likes, comments, shares, all that. So it gives you a good all-around snapshot of how people have really resonated with a particular post. Now, you may be pretty much already good to go and maybe choosing the first or the second or both of the posts that you see within the engagement insights. The next thing I would advise you to do to cross-analyze to make sure you're investing your money on the right post is to switch from engagement and go to impressions. So boom, I'll take a screenshot of that one so I can save it. And again, you want to make sure that you define the top 3. So once I do all that, I'll take a look. So looking at impressions, I see that the first post seems to be the more popular one on both impressions and in engagement. So that would be a post that I've heavily invested in. And funny story, if I go to past promotions here, you can see that I indeed promoted this particular post. And honestly guys, when you're thinking about investing in a particular post that you've created, you really want to do that with a post that you really believe in. There's a lot of stuff on Instagram right now, and people are just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. You have to make something good enough for them to do this. Like, oh, what is that? Oh, look at this, look at it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, let me tap on that. Oh, that's dope. Wow, okay, let me just follow. You get the point. Lastly, let me actually show you how to promote one of your posts. Now, I don't do it crazy extensive like I may do for clients. I don't go to Business Manager, the back end of Facebook, and create a legit traditional ad. I simply do this. So let's take this video here that is an informational video about a new IGTV feature. I'll go ahead and tap promote on that post itself. For this particular strategy, I'm gonna select your profile because I want people to visit my profile for them to hit the follow button. Once I hit next, I will simply hit automatic. That's it. I use automatic because I literally let Instagram do all the legwork because they know more than all of us. And what this automatic setting does is it creates what's called a lookalike audience, in which they take all the people who are currently following you, they then analyze their personas and what this particular individual likes, and then displays my post to another individual who is similar to those people who are following me to get my post in front of those valuable people with my valuable content. So then once you hit next, this is where you choose your budget. Now, this is a question I get all the time, is how much should I invest to receive some return on my investment? What I typically do is put $5 a day and maybe run it for 1 or 2 days, but I tell Instagram that I'm going to run it for 6 days. So here's what I mean. Let's break this down with an analogy. I am an employer and Instagram is my employee. I'm paying Instagram $30 to do a job. So the majority of people would be happy that they're making $30 an hour, so they would work harder, right? That's, the economy. So what I end up doing as an employer is end up paying Instagram $10 an hour when they're giving me $30 worth of work. You get more bang for your buck. Yes, we are taking advantage of Instagram, but don't feel too bad. I mean, they got a ton of money. So once you hit next, all you do is hit create promotion, and then it goes into a review process. And at that point, Instagram will take your post and review it to make sure it follows all the terms and conditions on Instagram's website, to make sure you're not a bad actor. And of course, they want to make sure that nothing is vulgar or whatnot. And that is how you actually buy engagement for your Instagram content. Now fam, it's important for you to understand that you don't have to do any of this. Engagement like views and likes and comments and shares and all that nonsense doesn't matter if you're creating appropriately. What do I mean by that? You are a creative and you have a creative outlet that you want to release, and you release that on Instagram. That right there is amazing. It's incredible that you have the guts, the talent, and the motivation to do that consistently on a weekly basis. That right there is incredible, and you should really feel happy about that. Now, if you want to make money on Instagram, yeah, the engagement and all that stuff is important to brands you may want to work with one day. So if you have aspirations of becoming an influencer one day, yeah, then investing in stuff like this using this particular strategy will help you do that. And I don't really talk about anything I don't know about that I haven't experienced for myself. So yeah, I am kind of both the hybrid in those scenarios. I am a creative that releases a creative outlet on Instagram, and I am an influencer who also gets paid for branded content, and I create content for companies along with myself. Yeah, you can do both. It's okay. At the end of the day, understand that you as a creative are creating content and you're releasing it on the internet. That is amazing, and you should be very proud of that. For more Instagram and IGTV tutorials, crush that subscribe button, like this video if it helped you out, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, DM me, let's connect. I and my beautiful vert friends will see you on the next one. I'm out.